So the way I would think about the trade deficit is as follows. In the near term, what you can see is that there are some changes in the trade deficit, but we continue to have a lot of imports. But the key part of that equation is that a lot of these imports are actually in capital goods versus final goods, which is consistent with the idea that there's a lot of reinvestment into the industrial capacity of America. So in the near term, you should actually see a surge in capital goods imports while we do a lot of this reshoring. And then in the longer term, when you produce more here, you should anticipate less of those particular types of goods imports because we'd be producing more of them over here. What you do see in general, because part of what one of the goals of the trade agenda has also been to de-risk the supply chain, is that the supply chain has also been de-risked away from China because it was heavily dependent on China. And today, for example, you have the bilateral trade deficit with China is at the lowest level since prior to China's entry into the WTO.